Hi, this is Tom Beekbane, author of the book How to Understand Everything, Consilience, A New Way to See the World. I'm here to answer the question, what is consilience? Consilience is a word that was coined in 1840 by Dr. William Whewell, who was a professor and Master of Trinity College, Cambridge. His interests were diverse, including theology and science. He invented words that we continue to use to this day, including scientist and physicist. Consilience, to use his terminology, was the jumping together of different classes of facts. An example would be, let us say, astronomy and geometry. The ancient practice of observing and documenting the movements of celestial bodies was a separate domain to the practice of geometry, pioneered by the likes of Pythagoras. When Isaac Newton came along, he had the insight that astronomy and geometry could be connected together through mathematical equations. His inverse square law united two disciplines that were previously disconnected, enabling us to understand the movement of stars and planets. Since Newton's time, there have been many jumping togethers of different classes of facts. Now, the disciplines of physics, chemistry, biology, and genetics overlap completely. Experts understand biological systems at the level of molecules and elementary particles. In 1998, when Edward O. Wilson published a book called Consilience, The Unity of Knowledge, he presumed that scientists would be in a position to figure out human behavior using science-like categorizations and laws, like Newton's inverse square law and evolutionary theory. I argue in my book that consilience has arrived, but it has arrived differently than anticipated. Consilience allows us to understand the realities of human nature. Consilience is the fusion of different domains of human experience that reveals that how we think is not how is commonly believed. It allows us to understand ourselves and those around us in new ways. Consilience is profoundly significant because through it, we can reconceptualize our biology, our behavior, and everything else that is important in our lives, including our social and political systems. Consilience is a new paradigm that is as profound as the dawn of science. Join me and discover a new way to see the world.